So hello everyone. So today I am unbagging my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is a monthly beauty product subscription for $25. It's free shipping. You pay tax minus $26.50. There's a website or an app, and on the app you can see a description of all the products and the prices of all the products. And then also, if you're a member, you get great discounts every month, so you can buy additional products if you choose. Let's look inside. And here are the products inside another bag. Let's take that out. And let's look for the card. So Force of Nature is the theme, April 2021. Sometimes the cards have prices and sometimes they don't, or even a description of the product. Little website there so you can check out Force of Nature. Let's flip this over, and no prices, but it says Glam Bag X, so that is the quarterly subscription, which is $55 for 8 full-size products, and that comes in May. I'll be receiving that instead of my Glam Bag Plus. And let's take a look at the first product, which is the Pre-Release Blue Lotus Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask. This contains the seaweed extract to hydrate, and then the Blue Lotus has anti-inflammatory properties, relieves redness, and protects against free radicals. This costs $36 for the set of 6. So you just carefully take out the sheet mask, gently apply it to the face, and it remains on for 15 to 20 minutes. Once you remove it, you do not wash your face, you just massage it in. Set of 6, those are going to last for a bit, but I'll get to them. I love the sheet mask. Okay, so the next one is the body lotion. So this one is Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. It supports health and skin barrier. It's moisturizing and nourishing ingredients, and it also has lavender, chamomile, and the vetiver plant. The root of the vetiver plant is used for medicine, but the overall plant just has so many properties, health benefits, relieves stress, lice, insomnia, and aromatherapy. So when you put it on, you smell that before you go to bed, and it helps you sleep. Okay, so this one is the brushes. So this is the Beau Gotchas, I believe it's pronounced, number 7 collection. It's a 5 count, and the handles are bamboo, $30. Okay, so let's go to the next one, which is Grace and Stella Mud Mask. Retails for $20. It's a 4 ounce, all natural ingredients. It absorbs excess oil and debris from pores, increases circulation for rosy glow, gives your complexion vitamins and nutrients. Here's some directions. Apply a thick layer and then rinse off. Oh, look at those ingredients. Kaolin, aloe vera juice, vegetable glycerin, calendula oil, jojoba oil, sunflower oil. Oh, that sounds, I'm going to need to put that on tonight. Grace and Stella is really nice. They have great prices, great products. I'm just going to have to make a video just dedicated just to Grace and Stella because I really do love what they have. Okay, so let's go to the Avant, which is a collagen primer. This retails for $122. It's 1 ounce. And yes, you heard it right. It retails for $122. It softens rough patches, boosts elasticity, and you apply it in a circular motion. And then that's prepares your skin for your foundation. So that's the 6th item. I do have additional item not included in this bag, but it came with the bag that I'll show you after this bag. So every Glam Bag Plus has a drawstring bag, different design, different material. So these are the masks. So with the points that you earn from reviewing products, or when people use my link to sign up, you can buy gifts. So I bought myself this with 600 points, 2 days masks. And I thought it said, I don't see very well, I thought it said 2 masks. So we'll see if I get 2 days out of it. But it's another sheet mask, so I'm excited about using that. But the 5 products that I did receive have a retail value of $242. Of course, it doesn't include that mask. And I paid the $26.50. So I think it's a good bag. You know, you fill out a profile, so as you can see, mine is skincare, but someone else who might want 5 makeup products would receive 5 makeup products. So what do you think about my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus? I think it's a good bag. And that's it for my unbagging. Hope you enjoyed it. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.